Companies need to reconfigure the factory floor on a regular basis. Planning an entire layout on a 2D screen is a pain, especially when there are multiple stakeholders around the world making decisions about the layout. With XR, it is possible to overcome these challenges and benefit from faster workflows and decision-making. Connect to the cloud or your on-premises server and create a meeting to collaborate with other users around the world. The other user will see the session, and with one click, you can start collaborating. Now, the factory layout can be selected using the file browser and imported using the loading cube. In this case, we see a collaboration between two VR users. This gives us the ability to fly and teleport around the factory. This allows you to view your layout from different perspectives without moving or completely disassembling your file. Additional files can be easily loaded into the digital factory using the file browser. The other user can also see the file and interact with the model. Being able to work on a true one-to-one scale allows us to position our machines accurately and spot potential errors immediately. Here, for example, the position of the chiller and the column is not ideal. With a simple tool like the bounding box, it can be easily repositioned. Because the whole experience is streamed, we can load even more files at the highest level of detail. This gives you the opportunity to get an exact reference to reality and plan your layout with a high degree of precision. This reduces the number of installation errors and the cost associated with incorrect design. Tools such as measurements and annotations highlight specific areas and support your factory design workflow. This only scratches the surface of what Hololight Space can do, but the ability to collaborate in real time on high-fidelity files in a true one-to-one scale increases the time efficiency of your decision-making and reduces the cost of errors. The end result is a smoother installation process with everyone on board, all thanks to XR streaming.